Hey quilting friends, it's Carolina Moore, and today is the day that I get to share with you that I am the newest Baby Lock influencer. I'm so excited for this partnership. It is just incredible for me, and I'm pinching myself and can hardly believe it's true. And was so excited when my new machine showed up on my doorstep, and that is this gorgeous Baby Lock Aria. That's just the box. You wanna join me and see what's inside? Inside my box, I have another box, and inside this box I start seeing the foam, and I haven't gone any further than this yet, so let's see. This is a styrofoam top, and so this will be my cover right here, and gently peeling away. Inside here I have my quick reference guide. This is my knee lift, my foot pedal. This may be the walking foot. I'll have to look at that. More presser feet, bobbins, bobbin housing, power cord, and a computer cord. So I'm going to set this aside. And now we're getting into the really fun stuff. Okay. Here on the side of this foam, this is the base and then also the storage housing for the machine. And here we go. Ah, there is my new machine. All pretty and ready to get set up at my sewing table. So I've got my machine in place in my sewing room, and I'm going to remove all of this blue tape that's put on there. And this is just put on for shipping to make sure that things don't shift or adjust in ways that they shouldn't. Also, there is a styrofoam block that's underneath the presser foot. So I can lift up my presser foot and just gently take that out. You can look on all sides of your sewing machine and find all the tape. And they have little tabs on the end of the tape that make it easier to peel up. You don't have to try to pick your fingers underneath the tape and possibly scratch something up. So inside here is where all my thread goes, so that it looks gorgeous. Beautiful. Now I can attach my base. This gives a nice big base for sewing, and also has some storage in here. Yep. Make sure that opens. Is there no more tape? Yeah. So that's my storage. Oh, what a giant, gorgeous quilting surface this is. I'm so excited. There is so much throat space. Now the throat space is the space from the needle all the way till you hit sewing machine on this side. And this has gorgeous giant throat space, which is perfect for quilting nice big quilts. Yes, you can quilt quilts with smaller throat space. It just takes a little more finagling, but with this, there won't be a whole lot of finagling. It's just glorious, beautiful space. Baby Lock also sent me some thread boxes. So I have tons of thread, solid colors and some variegated as well. Perfect for free motion quilting. So I'll set those aside. I have this styrofoam box from before. And I'm just going to start unpacking it and plugging everything in. Inside my little caddy here is a perfect little drawer that already has all my feet organized. I love that. That makes it so easy to know that I have all my feet right there. And there's even a little seam ripper that's tucked in and handy right there. This is so nice. Instead of having all my feet mixed up all in here, it's in a beautiful little case that fits right there. Okay, I think I've got just about everything put away as much as I'm going to be able to, and at least given my excitement. And I'm going to go ahead and start winding some bobbins and get sewing on this machine. Ready to turn her on. So when I open up inside, all of my magical thread and thread winding, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my thread boxes and pull out some thread. So many colors to choose from. I think I'm gonna go with a nice neutral gray. And look at all the inspiration that's showing up right on this screen. With the push of a button, it's just winding my bobbin. Just like magic. Got one, go ahead and do another one since that was just so much fun. I'm going to go ahead and thread my machine. And one goes underneath here, two goes around, 3 goes down, I'm just following my arrows, 5 goes up and around, oh that's 4, 5, 6, and just like my jubilant, I've got a 7 up here, and then cut my needle, or cut my thread on the needle threader. The drop-in bobbin has an image right here that shows you the way that your thread should come off your bobbin. And then it goes around. And I love that drop-in bobbin. It's so, so easy to place. Now, if I press my magic needle threading button, set my clock, it's going to tell me what time it is. And look at that, it'll tell me what time it is while I'm sewing. That is super handy. I love that. Okay, so the upper thread may not be threaded correctly. Thread the upper thread from the beginning. How awesome is that? It already knows that maybe I made a mistake. So I'm going to pull that out. And how magical is that? My machine is threaded. I can close this up, and I'm just leaving my extra bobbins right here. Gorgeous. I'm all ready to sew.